Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your entire day goes into sending emails, replying your DMs, tracking leads, posting on Instagram, and still no time left to actually grow your business? Yeah, that's the story of every digital marketer in India, especially small business owners, freelancers, and solopreneurs. But what if I tell you there's a way to make all this happen automatically while you sip tea, chill, or focus on your strategy? Today, we are talking about marketing automation tools, the hidden engine that helps top Indian brands like Swiggy, Zomato, and even your local coaching institute run marketing on autopilot. Stay tuned till the end because I will also share a list of top tools you can start using today, even if you have zero technical skills. At first, we are gonna see what is marketing automation. So, first things first, what exactly is marketing automation? Simply put, it's using tools and software to automate repetitive marketing tasks like sending emails, tracking leads, nurturing customers, posting on social media, and even following up with clients. Think of it like hiring a smart virtual assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and never takes a tree break. For example, if someone sign up on your website, a automation tool can instantly send a welcome email, add them to your CRM, and even schedule a follow-up message 3 days later, all without you touching a thing. That's amazing, right? Now let's see why it's so important. Let's take an example. Say you own a small clothing store. Every day, people visit your website, ask for prices on WhatsApp, follow you on Instagram, and you try to reply to all manually. But you miss some leads, forget to follow up, and by the time you respond, they are already bought from Myntra or Flipkart. Now imagine this, automation tools handle everything for you. When someone messages you, a chatbot instantly replies. When someone visits your website, an email gets triggered with a discount coupon. When they buy, an automated thank you message goes out with an upsell offer. That's not marketing anymore. That's smart marketing. Now let's see some key benefits of marketing automation. So why is automation a game changer? Here are some quick benefits. You can save a lot of time. No more manual repetitive tasks. You can increase conversions. You follow up automatically and never lose leads. And you can improve better personalization. Tools can send the right message at the right time. You can also improve ROI. Less effort, more output. And also it is scalable. Whether 10 customers or 10,000, automation handles it smoothly. Let's say Swiggy as an example. They have mastered automation. Ever noticed when you leave food in a cart, 10 minutes later you get a notification saying, hey, your paneer butter masala is waiting. That automation. When you haven't ordered for a week, they send you a we miss you offer. When you order frequently, they automatically push Swiggy One subscription plans. Each message feels personal, but it's also automated by powerful systems in the background. Now we are gonna see how marketing automation actually work. Here the step-by-step workflow. First one, trigger. A user takes an action, sign up, clicks or buys. Second one, condition. The system checks what type of user it is. And last, action. It automatically sends an email, message or ad. For example, you register for a digital marketing webinar, tool automatically send a thank you email. One day later, a reminder message. After the event, a follow-up with a special course offer. You didn't do any of this manually. The system did. We are gonna see some types of marketing automation tools. There are different categories of tools, each for a different purpose. Use MailChimp, ConvertKit or Brevo for email automation, HubSpot or Zoho CRM for CRM automation. For social media automation, you can use Buffer, Hootsuite, Later, etc. For ad automation, Google Ads Script, Meta Ads automation are incredibly workable. For workflow automation, Zapier, Make can use. For e-commerce automation, you can use Spotify Flow or Klaviyo. For chatbots and WhatsApp automation, you can use Vati, Telephant or Enter AKT. Each of these helps you automate a specific part of your marketing process. Now let me tell you a quick story to understand better about automation. Rohan runs an online IELTS coaching business from Pune. Initially, he used to handle everything manually. taking leads on Instagram, sending WhatsApp messages, collecting payments, etc. It was chaos. Then he discovered System.io and Zoho CRM. Now his entire system runs automatically. When someone fills his form, they get an email with course details, and the next day they get a WhatsApp follow-up. After enrollment, they get access to his course, and he didn't lift a finger. Rohan's revenue doubled, his workload reduced by 60%, and now he even started another course. All thanks to automation. That's the power we are talking about. Now, how to choose the right tool, especially if you are a beginner. Before jumping into tools, remember this: you don't need to buy everything at once. Start small. If you are a beginner, use MailChimp or Bravo for emails, Canva plus Buffer for social posts, Zapier for connecting apps, Google Sheet plus CRM for lead tracking. As you grow, move to advanced tools like HubSpot, ActiveCampaign or Zoho One, which covers everything. Let's see some common mistakes to avoid. First one, over automation. Don't spam people with too many emails or messages. They will irritated by you. And second one is no personalization. People can tell when it's a bot. Add human touch. Third one, ignoring analytics. Track performance. See what's working. Fourth one, set and forget. Automation isn't set it once. Keep optimizing. Remember, automation should feel humanly smart, not robotic. Now let's see the future of marketing automation in India. In India, automation is booming. Startups, small businesses, even local chai cafes are using tools to engage customers. AI-powered chatbots in WhatsApp, personalized SMS marketing, predictive customer analytics is just the beginning. Soon, even small Instagram sellers will run full automated funnels from DMs to checkout. So the earlier you learn this skill, the more valuable you become, whether as a freelancer, marketer or business owner. So guys, marketing automation isn't about replacing people. It's about replacing repetition so you can focus on creativity, strategy and building real connection with your audience. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and comment below which automation tool you are excited to try next. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your first automation marketing workflow, comment automation below. I will make that my next video. Until next episode, stay creative, stay consistent and keep automating your marketing game. This is Danu signing off.